Hi everyone, this is Melissa and thanks for tuning into Earthly Delights. It is a gorgeous fall day for an estate sale in the Hudson Valley, New York. So I'm flying solo today. I'm going to turn it around and let's see what we can find. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How have you been?
Good, how about you? And you?
Busy.
Busy, busy? Oh, here's the troll dolls. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Santa troll from the 60s. $100. Oh. I think maybe I'll come back at the end and see what's the best you could do on these, because I think maybe save that for Sunday. Let's see what's left on Sunday. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cute. They tend to do really well on giving me fair prices, but I just feel like, I mean, totally worth it. These are amazing dresses. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at this. But I just don't even know about first day, you know?
Kate Brett is back with you on Monday. It's Michelle Taylor, National Conservative Stuff High. Here's David Bowie, already up.
So sweet. Should we do holiday cards this year? I always say I'm going to, but I never do. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I should be real with myself. I'm just gonna put it all back.
Somebody take the money one.
Comfy.
Look at that keyboard, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's a nice duvet color. It's pretty too. What's this? Japan duvet color. these. They're coming. Come home with us.
Do you know what these are too?
Ooh, that's a nice roll. Ooh, I like it. I mean, the amazing stuff is up front, but what's this? This looks like some great costume. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah.
They weren't here.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this costume. So cute. Oh my god. Oh my god.
But I've never seen this.
Oh my god. Do you know how much for the 3 blind mice?
Probably, I would say 10.
Okay. Do you know how much wiggle room there is on these guys?
As much wiggle room as we give on a day one.
Right. Have many of them gone? Have people
Uh,
picked through?
Not many,
A
quite
few.
a few, but not
Yeah.
many. I would call it.
So you're doing this tomorrow and Sunday also,
Correct.
right? Okay. Oh wow. 2 colored eyes. I wonder if Santa was supposed to have a hat.
Don't know. I don't think any of the trolls have ever had hats.
I know, but it's Santa.
There's the whole thing about the hair.
That's true. That is true. I don't know. Looks like it's been flattened though, so I have a feeling. I don't know. This one, I like this one. With his 2 different colored eyes. Looking for a New York City puzzle for my dad. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, man. I know, so many puzzles that are open. That's always the risk, you know? There's one missing, and my dad, he's a winter puzzler, and I've been wanting to get him a New York City puzzle. I just think he would really like that. I think I might have to take my chances with this. Okay, I'm gonna go through again because I was too amped up when I first got here. I'm overwhelmed. I'll go through again. Oh my god, see, I didn't even look down. I didn't even look down. I don't do mornings. So relatable. Animal Kingdom.
I'll be back, look. I thought people would go crazy for these maps.
They've diminished.
Okay.
Yeah. These you can chuck under the table with the white tablecloth on it. We're still selling. National Trust Manual of Housekeeping.
I don't know, I think you could write that book.
No. You haven't seen my house.
What is it called?
The National Trust is,
Oh, is that it?
No, the truck is on its way.
oh God.
How is Albert, speaking of having trucks? How is he?
Yeah.
I don't know, that's a good question. You mean,
You didn't show up at work today?
he actually works at the highway department. I don't know.
When I was here that day.
That was such a great.
Interesting. Oh. 4 TV stands. Oh, I like this. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, we're getting that. I just got out of the sale. I spent $325. The last 100 or so was an impulse item. I decided to drop $100 on 2 vintage troll dolls. Oh, actually 3. I have no idea what they're worth. I don't know if this was a good decision or not. I think that, I mean, I'm sure I'll make the money back. I'm just not sure how much profit is involved. I really don't know much about them, but these are like really true vintage 60s troll dolls, and there's a bunch more. Perhaps we'll go back on Sunday and see what's left, and you know, he said that the seller is really motivated, so hopefully hopefully if we make it back on Sunday we'll get some super duper deals. This is weird. I'm pulled off on the side of the road because I left without signing off, and all of a sudden there's all these cars pulling into the parking lot that I'm in. I wonder if I'm on private property. Maybe I shouldn't be here. Can't wait to get home and show Kelly all of the great stuff that I got, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.